happening at present, we have seen like the main concern is to take the land by force. And we have just received information from the resident of the Ileka Nongkele. Some of the landowner, they have been paid their land with a check, and when they are trying to collect the money, the check bounce. So it's not just trying to take the land by force. We can say this is a fraud case also. So if the CM wants this land, because all is under the hand of the CM, maybe he is now aware of all this what happening in East Jaintia, because we have staged a protest in the city, also in the heart of the city. The CM know clearly about all these things, but our question is why our CM remains silent. If this is the company of CM, we would like to request him to take it to Garo Hills and do whatever you want. But here in East Jaintia, you should respect the landowner and the rights of our people. But if you don't respect our people, and we also in future, we won't show any respect to your party.